Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those looking to sell their art online. Redbubble is a unique and popular site that allows you to purchase one-of-a-kind items. Whether you're looking for stickers, clothing, or phone cases, Redbubble has something for everyone. However, did you know that there are other sites like Redbubble that offer similar products? We'll take a look at 8 Redbubble alternatives in this video, where you can quickly start selling your designs. Number 8. Threadless. Threadless is a unique alternative to Redbubble that allows users to create and print on demand apparel, home decor, and more. Threadless has become a household name for custom printed tees, hoodies, and accessories. With the company's easy-to-use online design platform, creating one-of-a-kind items has never been easier. Users can choose from an extensive library of artwork or upload their own designs to be professionally printed onto their selected product. Threadless allows anyone with an idea or passion for art to make it come alive through their products. Their collection features an array of customizable garments, including t-shirts, leggings, mugs, and phone cases, all waiting to be personalized with your own artwork. Designers and artists are welcome to submit their own works for review. Number 7. Society6. This website provides an alternative to Redbubble and is quickly becoming a favorite among artists and entrepreneurs alike. Society6 offers many advantages that make it particularly appealing for those who want to create unique products with their own designs. For starters, products are available in a wide range of sizes, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Additionally, artwork can be easily uploaded, no software downloads required. Artists also have access to a variety of customization options so that their work stands out from the crowd. Number 6. Zazzle. Introducing Zazzle, the perfect alternative to Redbubble for print-on-demand products. Zazzle is a platform that allows customers to custom design and create their own apparel, accessories, and home decor products. Customers can upload images, designs, and logos onto any product of their choosing from hundreds of options, including t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. All orders are printed with high-quality materials and shipped within days of the order date. The customization options available on Zazzle are endless. Users can pick from pre-made designs or upload their own artwork to create something truly unique. With no minimum order requirements, customers have the freedom to purchase one item or multiple items depending on their needs. The online platform even provides a preview feature so users can see what their design will look like before they commit to ordering it. Number 5. Sunfrog. Sunfrog is a relatively new print-on-demand platform that has been gaining traction as an alternative to Redbubble and other popular sites. At Sunfrog, consumers can find unique t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and much more. All of these items are customizable with designs created by independent artists from around the world. Whether you're looking for something humorous or heartfelt, there's something for everyone at Sunfrog. What separates Sunfrog from other print-on-demand services is its simple user interface and easy setup process. With just a few clicks, you can upload your artwork and start selling right away. You also get access to detailed analytics so you can track your sales performance in real time. Plus, customer service representatives are available 24/7 to answer any questions or concerns you might have about the ordering process or products themselves. Number 4. Fine Art America. Fine Art America is a popular alternative to the popular print-on-demand platform Redbubble. It offers an extensive range of products for photographers, illustrators, graphic designers, and other artists to showcase and promote their artwork. Fine Art America provides a host of services that enable creators to upload images and have them printed on various items such as canvases, prints, framed pieces, posters, magnets, and apparel. It also provides tools for creating custom portfolios and galleries with which users can monetize their work. The platform boasts of providing superior quality products with its individualized printing process designed to ensure brilliant colors in each item they produce. Fine Art America promises quick delivery times so customers receive their purchases faster than any other online art retailer. Number 3. Printify. Printify is a great alternative to Redbubble for those looking for custom printing on demand. It allows you to design and create your own merchandise without the hassle of sourcing, inventory management, or other complexities associated with online selling. With Printify, you can choose from an extensive range of products such as apparel, phone cases, mugs, and more to be printed with your designs. Printify can be integrated with other platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. The platform also has a wide selection of print providers offering different turnaround times so you can get exactly what you need in the time frame that works best for you. You can view their prices and prints before ordering so there are no surprises when it comes to quality or costs. Plus, Printify offers multiple shipping options through their partner carriers so that orders arrive quickly and safely at the destination chosen by customers. If you would like to try Printify, there is a link in the description box below. Number 2, designed by humans, alternative to Redbubble. Print-on-demand companies have been popping up in the last few years. However, a new company is entering the market with a unique mission, designed by humans. This company is revolutionizing the industry by placing people first when it comes to creating their products. Unlike most of its competitors, which focus on automation and algorithms, Designed by Humans believes that human creativity and ingenuity should be at the forefront of their designs. They are committed to providing customers with quality apparel and accessories made with passion and care by real people who understand fashion trends and what makes a successful product. All of their products are made using high-quality materials, ensuring that every purchase is unique and long-lasting. Number 1, Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade crafts, vintage items, and supplies. It is an attractive alternative to Redbubble for those seeking a print-on-demand platform to sell on. You will need a provider like Printify connected to Etsy to sell your custom products such as t-shirts to posters, vinyl decals, and mugs, allowing users to create high-quality products with minimal effort. The user interface on Etsy is easy to use and understand, making it accessible for beginners to the print-on-demand industry. In conclusion, when it comes to finding alternatives to Redbubble, the options are plentiful and varied. There is something suitable for everyone, no matter their market or budget. Whether you are looking for a more boutique approach or a larger scale enterprise, there are multiple options available to explore. Finding the right alternative depends on each individual business's needs and goals. Consider carefully which platform best aligns with what you need and what you can provide customers. If you haven't already subscribed, do it now so that you don't miss the next video, and likes are always appreciated. And thanks for watching.